अस्सलाम वालेकुम फोर्थ ईयर। आज हम पढ़े हैं पीएन जंक्शन। पीएन जंक्शन में व्हेन द पेंटावलेंट impurity is added with the trivalent impurity, then there is a formation of a layer. This layer is known as a PN junction. In N side we have pentavalent impurity, four electrons shared with the and made the shared with the germanium or silicon atom and made the covalent bond. Only one electron will here, and in the trivalent three electrons three electrons will shared and made the covalent bond on only hole will remain here. Or fifth, the fifth electron is uncharged in n side, or in p side. Fourth hole is uncharged. When the electron jump from this n side to the p side, electron are recombined, then there is a positive ion and there is a negative ion, or there is positive ion or negative, a layer of positive ion, and when electron from this jump and fill the holes, and there are a layer of negative ion. This region is known as a depletion region. And positive or negative ion, this is known as a depletion region, and there is a potential difference. This is the negative, this is the positive. This potential difference is known as a potential barrier. Even when no external force is connected with this PN junction, or there is no, then there is a potential difference. This potential difference is known as a potential barrier, or stop the further flow of charge carrier across the junction, or energy supplied by the external source, then it will come out. This is known as a PN junction. There are two type of the PN junction. PN junction forward bias or reverse bias. In forward bias PN junction, the positive terminal is connected to the positive side of the battery. Negative terminal is connected to the negative side of the battery. Symbolically, this is represented as on the current flow from positive to negative, and there are holes and there are electrons. And positive charge repels the holes, and electron attract the electron toward it. Or there are electrons, negative charge repel the electron. These electrons or holes here recombine driven or recombined, and large amount of current will be flow, and there is a depletion region. Depletion region will become thin due to the combination of the holes and electron, and large amount of current will flow through the semiconductor. Movement of both electron and hole inside the crystal. Due to the applied, we have applied the external circuit, the voltage to the barrier potential reduces. There is a barrier potential. Barrier potential is also reduces, or which allow more current to flow across the junction. And this is the PN junction, and there is a VB. This is the potential barrier across the positive and negative. This is the negative and this is the positive. It is known as a by VB. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? VB. ये हमारे पास क्या है? सिलिकॉन का हमारे पास 0.7 वोल्ट है, और उसका जर्मेनियम का 0.3 वोल्ट है. If we apply find the forward or reverse voltage characteristics, then we see the graph between V and I. in the germanium graph this one, or in silicon this one. Forward current rises abruptly with the applied voltage. When we apply the voltage, forward current rises exponentially with the applied voltage. Germanium potential difference of 0.2 volt. When the voltage of 0.3 volt increases, then the current is sharply increased. This voltage 0.3 voltage is known as a threshold. Silicon potential difference of 0.47 volt when applied voltage above the VB. This is the VB. 0.3 or 0.7 is known as a VB. When increases, then the current is sharply increasing. This is the characteristics of forward bias. Now we will discuss the reverse bias. Reverse bias में we have connect a positive terminal with the negative terminal of the battery and negative terminal with the positive. Then the electrons are, अब हमारे पास यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज कैरियर्स कहाँ अट्रैक्ट होंगे, ड्यू टू द नेगेटिव चार्ज अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड द एन साइड, एंड द electrons are attracted toward the hole, and then there is a, this region is known as a depletion region. This region will be increase, depletion will increase holes. This is symbolic representation of the reverse bias voltage की. Holes are attracted by the negative battery terminal and electrons are attracted by the positive terminal of the battery. No current flow through. There is a increase of the depletion region, potential barrier. There no current flow through the junction. Only small current flow through due to the minority charge carrier across the junction, or this called the reverse current, saturation current. If the applied voltage increases, the potential barrier potential blocking the flow of majority charge carriers, width of the depletion region increases. If we reverse the bias voltage to PN junction, if increase junction stage is reached. When if we increase the temperature, if we increase the voltage, then the PN junction increase the junction stage if reached with junction breakdown or reverse current increases or shout out. If we draw a graph between reverse voltage, reverse volt ampere characteristics, the graph will in this form: voltage along x-axis, current along y-axis. When the suddenly current is increases, reverse increases, certain limit the voltage increases or suddenly breakdown. Reverse voltage if increased beyond a certain limit, the reverse current shoot of this voltage is called breakdown voltage. This depends upon the depth of the depletion region. Thank you.